the slide of the ovary. If we increase the magnification, we can see here we have the ovary with the oviduct. You can see the oviduct with this extensive longitudinal fold, and you can see here the ovary cortex and inside the medulla, and we can see here we have different stages of these ovarian follicle. Okay, so we'll start with this one here. We'll start with this one. Can you see this is the oocyte, cytoplasm, nucleus, prominent nucleolus, and you can see here the stratified epithelium. You can see the thecal layer, the inner thecal and the outer fibrous, the theca externa, and you can see the spaces that form by the follicular fluid. Okay, we go here. This is the area of the stromal tissue. Here again we have another late primary, or even could be a secondary follicle. You can see the spaces between these cells. This is again the ovarian follicle. We could not see the oocyte. Another ovarian follicle. Again, this is the secondary. If we go to this one here, this is the pre-entral stage. We can see that the spaces between the cells coalesces to form different spaces, and we can see here the oocyte still in the central. These cells now change from the name of the cells from follicular cells into granulosa cells. Again, we have the theca interna, we have the theca externa. Okay, again, this is the pre-entral. See here the space, and very important, still the oocyte location still in the center. In the mature follicle, the location of the oocyte will be eccentric in the periphery, and we will have a very big one space contain the follicular fluid. So most of these, what we can see is the pre-entral. You can see here here's, I think we have some primary. Yes, we have primary. And we have here another. This is the primary, and here the primordium. Again, here's simple squamous, whereas here we have the simple cuboidal epithelium, and here we can see we have the secondary. Okay, and this is the oocyte, and this could be the thickened basement membrane, the zona pellucida. It's not that obvious. Maybe we need to use the pass stain to be more obvious. If we go to the oviduct, we have this longitudinal fold. The epithelium, as I said in the lecture, we have two types of the epithelium. We have the big cell and we have the columnar epithelium. The columnar epithelium mostly have cilia. As I said, these cilia help in the movement of the spermatozoa and the oocyte, whereas the other cells, the big cells, as I said, mostly produce a secretion that's rich in fructose, and that secretion is very important for the nourishment of the oocyte, spermatozoa, and also for the pre-implantation embryo. We have here the lamina propria, and we should find a very thin layer with the smooth muscles. You can see it here. Whereas when we go to the area of the ampulla and the isthmus, there's a thickening of this layer, the layer of the smooth muscle. And outside we can see the serosa.